How to create Crunchyroll account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create account on Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll is a popular streaming service primarily focused on anime, manga and Asian dramas. Now to get started, first of all you'll have to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, at the top, on the address bar type crunchyroll.com. Now press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Crunchyroll. Here once you end up in this page, at the top you'll find this profile icon. Click on this profile icon and from the menu you will find create account option. Go ahead and click on this option to start creating your account. Once you click on it, you will be taken to this page where you'll find the login interface. Here you'll have to enter your email address and password. Make sure you create the strong and unique password here. Enter your details. Once you have entered your password, tap on the show button to view your password. Now scroll down and at the bottom you'll find create account option. Click on it to proceed further. Once you have done that, you will see your Crunchyroll account has been successfully created. Now you can start browsing and watching anime and Asian dramas available on this Crunchyroll. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.